Hello everybody. I just had one of those stupid moments. I'm gonna do some videos and I'm like, okay, I should tune up first, right? I gotta make sure I'm in tune so if people play along, it's right. And I'm like, oh shit, where's my phone? I'm looking everywhere for my phone, not realizing that it's my camera, so it's in a tripod. Can I say? What do I got? I got a couple we're gonna go through. Just had a request. Gonna do that one next. This one I've been kind of kicking around with for a while. I've been trying to get the melody on it. I gotta change the camera here. I can't. I've been messing around with it and trying to get the melody down, but it's one of those ones where it's a chord change every second, every 2 beats. So it's hard to do melody when you got something like that. So that's didn't work. But the song itself still holds up pretty good. So somebody I used to know, Gotye, is that how you say it? I don't know. I remember the song was a big, huge hit like 3 or 4 years ago. I don't know if he's done anything since, but I don't listen to the radio, so I wouldn't know. So let's start this off here. And on and on and on and on. Besides a few screw-ups I had, that's pretty close. The song originally is in D minor, but we're doing it in B minor because that's what the Merlin does. So we'll start it here. So you get 3 chords. your B minor, 2, 1 open, and 2, 1, 2. We use both of them in a song. You've got an A, 1, 0, 1, and you've got your G, and you use 2 G's in a song. You use 0, 1, 3, and 3, 1, 0. So you use both. Okay, that intro melody we'll get to last, so we'll just run through it here. So the chorus is that bouncing bass line. When you listen to the song, it's... But I actually changed it up a little bit. I like it better where you do the open. So you can do it either way you want. And then while you're doing that, you're doing the strums as well, right? So palm muting is good on this again. So that's the first verse, second verse, and then the third verse is the same thing. It starts and then, but the third verse is a little bit different. You do that a bunch of times and then it stays in the A. And then you go into the chorus. So it's verse, verse, chorus, outro. So the chorus. Now this is where you're going to alternate your chords. Not the B. The B is a full B. So, I should say during the chorus you could do either B. You could do the 2, 1 open, or you can do the 2, 1, 2. Both work. I kind of like it with the 2, 1, 2. But it's your choice. Same with that bass line, it's your choice how you want to do it. Chorus. So it's B minor, G, or B minor, A, G, A, B minor, A, G, A. So the first G you do the high G, second G you do the low G. I counted during the chorus, you actually do that 12 times, and then you go back into the verse again. And then the outro is the same as the chorus, except you eliminate the high G, it's all low G. That's it for the whole song. That's it. There's nothing else to it except our intro little lead lick that we do. So... most of this is done with the chords. So you do the B minor, which is open on the high string. So you hit that twice. A twice. Second B, which is a 2, 1, 2. That's the only lick we got. Back to the A. Low G. you see what I mean? The chord changes are so fast that to get the melody in there, I was having trouble. Even just the lead part, I was having trouble figuring that all out, doing the fast changes, but I eventually got it. Now there is one more part, and I think it might have been the 10 hands, 1 guitar video that Walk Off the Earth did, where they're all putting the same guitar. I think it's actually from that. I don't think it's actually from the original song, but I think there's a part that's I don't know where it is in the song. So usually what I do is I put that in right before we go. Right before we go into the chorus. But that could be that other version of the song where you don't even have to worry about it, so don't worry about it. Yeah. Alright, that's it for this one. Gotye. Somebody used to know. I think I got 3 or 4 more planned today, so we'll get those done and hopefully get them uploaded tonight. It's 8:20, maybe not get them all uploaded, but we'll try. So we'll have some new videos this week. So we shall see you guys next time. Practice, patience, have fun. We'll see you guys soon.